morning. My name is Virender Best. I'm co-founder and CTO with Niyo Solutions. I and my colleague Priyadesh are very pleased to speak to you today as one of the finalists of the AWS Startup Architecture Challenge. Niyo was founded by Vinay and me back in 2015. My partner Vinay has 20 years of experience in banking space, and I have product and technology experience in building large complex systems for both B2C and B2B space. Vinay and I started Niyo to make banking safer, secure, transparent, and convenient for everyone. We have two flagship products, Niyo Global and Niyo Bharat. Niyo Bharat is a mobile banking application for the blue collar segment, and Niyo Global is a new banking experience for the mass affluent segment. At Niyo, we do not have banking license from RBI. Instead, we partner with existing banks to co-create these co-branded products. We acquire and service the customers under the co-branded programs from our Niyo apps. Across the two products, we have 1.5 million customers. Niyo is best known for its customer-centric approach and providing value to our customers. Our apps are rated 4.5 and 4.7 in app stores in the finance category. Niyo is a Series B funded company, and we are fortunate to have some of the global marquee investors on our board. Let's talk about Niyo Global today. With Niyo Global, customers can enjoy 007 banking benefits. What this basically means is that whenever you are paying a foreign currency transactions, you do not need to pay hefty commissions to your bank. With Niyo Wealth, you can invest in zero commission mutual funds and also invest in domestic and international stocks. Last but not the least, you can earn up to 7% interest on your account deposits. Now, instant account opening, instant transfers, payments, etc. with UPI are now standard features of all banking apps. With Niyo also, you can lock unlock the card, you can control the limits, you can track your expenses, all from your mobile app. All of this comes to you in a clear, clutter-free, user-centric design. Today, we are going to talk about the architecture approach that we took to make our app PCI compliant. We wanted our customers to issue a debit card and view details right from their mobile app. This means that we would need to display sensitive information like card number, expiry in mobile app, and this information would have to travel through our backend APIs in our network. We came up with an innovative approach, leveraging AWS Stack to achieve our compliance and design goals. My colleague Priyadesh is going to take us through the adopted architecture and walk us through it. Priyadesh, over to you.
Thanks, Viren. As Viren mentioned, one of our main focus areas was instant account opening online. To achieve it, we collaborated with our partner bank to implement the required APIs for online account creation using Aadhaar OTP. Here is a traffic flow diagram where the customer details, including the Aadhaar number, is submitted through Niyo mobile app. All the details are encrypted end-to-end using public key cryptography, and the custom Kong plugin that we have implemented decrypts the data. Kong serves as API gateway and proxies the request to the upstream applications. As depicted here, all the applications, including Kong, are containerized and run within AWS EKS. We shall discuss more details on architecture and network flow diagram on the coming slides. Besides instant account opening online, we also wanted to provide virtual card numbers so that customers may register for UPI, deposit money, and instantly start making online purchases using their virtual card number. To display sensitive information like card number, we need PCI DSS compliance that includes the mobile app and all the backend services hosted in the same network. Consequently, the scope of PCI compliance included all the applications which actually not processing the card number. We have managed to reduce the PCI compliance by moving the applications processing the card number to a different AWS account as shown in this diagram. As the applications are all containerized, this activity was just a simple lift and shift for us. By following this approach, we were able to implement the use cases using the card number and also meeting the compliance requirements. Now let us go deep into the PCI environment that we have built. This slide has many details, so let me take you through this step by step. Niyo's product is completely hosted on AWS Mumbai region. We are using a bunch of AWS services to meet the PCI compliance requirements like IAM, CloudTrail, CloudWatch, and S3 for object storage. AWS Config, on the other hand, is a service that enables to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of AWS resources. For DR purposes, Niyo is using multiple availability zones. Niyo's production infrastructure is divided into three main VPCs. Production VPC, that is where the PCI compliant workloads are run. Management VPC, we'll talk about this a little later. And Security and Operations Center VPC. All the internet-facing applications are hosted in public subnet, while the backend services and databases are hosted on private subnet. There is a VPC peering between the production VPC and management VPC, and we are using Bastion host to run all the DevOps maintenance tasks in the Bastion host inside the management VPC. So virtually there is no direct connection or direct access to the production VPC. There is a separate SOC or the Security Operations Center account for the following InfoSec requirements: log orchestration, file integrity monitoring, intrusion detection system, change management system, incident response management system, and real-time compliance monitoring. There are other AWS security services that Niyo uses, which are AWS Inspector, AWS Security Hub, and Guard Duty. Now coming to the application architecture, the databases are hosted in replication mode across availability zones. All the applications as containers are run within EKS, and all the traffic is ingested through Amazon Route 53. For security, we have encryption at TCP layer with TLS 1.0, which covers encryption and transit. Other attacks like DDoS, port scanning, etc. are handled by WAF. Now Viren will take over and explain on our opportunities and the impact that we have created.
Thank you, Predesh. Well, we believe that delightful user experiences and convenience without compromising security and privacy is the bedrock on which Niyo is set up, and we would like to continue to strive bigger and better on that side. Some of the solutions that we have focused are on user experience, and we closely work with our partner banks to collaborate on the, bringing all the solutions to our customers. The impact, we launched new banking solution early in May for waitlist program. We have 1 lakh users who joined the waitlist program. So far, we have onboarded about 3,000 users. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes for users to open their bank account, and the shortest of them actually have been in under 3 minutes. And Niyo is one app that will manage all your finances from the same place. And we are hoping to launch our open market in very soon in next coming weeks. With all these tailwinds behind us, we hope that in next few months, we will be on a fast trajectory, and we will be closing the years with about 500,000 users.
Sure.
Kedesh and I would like to thank you for your time today, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you very much.